Hi guys, welcome. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I wanted to give you guys an update on the Khanice Jackson case. So let's get into it. And this one comes from Jamaica Gleaner, and it says the St. Catherine mechanic Robert Fowler, who is accused of killing 20-year-old accounting clerk Khanice Jackson, will be seeking bail on his next court appearance on May 25th. The attorney for the accused, Althea Freeman, indicated her intentions when her client appeared before Justice Anne Marie Lawrence Garner in the Home Circuit Court this morning. The 50-year-old defendant was consequently remanded for a bail application in May. The prosecution, in the meantime, has indicated that the report from the Police Communication Forensic and Cybercrime Division is now ready and will be served on the next defense by next Friday. Jackson, who resided in Independence City, Portmore, St. Catherine, was found dead on March 26 last year, 2 days after she had been reported missing. Her decomposing body was found in an open lot near the Portmore fishing village. Fuller was taken into custody and charged after he reportedly confessed. Police have theorized that Fowler had lured the woman to his home under the guise that he had left one of his tools. There was an argument reportedly developed with Jackson, and he allegedly used a rope to strangle her. A handbag believed to be Jackson's and her bank cards were among items reportedly found at Fuller's home. According to the police, Jackson and Fowler share a platonic relationship. Fowler would transport her to work on occasions. Attorney at law Lynn Wilson is also representing Fowler. So the mechanic is actually trying to seek bail, and in Jamaica's judicial system, this is not unheard of. A lot of murders happen, and people are on bail 3, 4, 5, 6, even 8 years at a time before the case actually goes to court, and they're either found guilty and sent to their sentencing, or they are found not guilty and they're a free person. This man actually confessed to Kanai's murder, and the fact that his lawyer is actually seeking for him to be bailed just shows you how skewed our judicial system is and how lawyers work. Honestly, being a lawyer is probably one of the most rewarding and one of the worst jobs you could ever have. So I can only imagine what his lawyer is going through trying to represent him and do the best by him as possible. But this victim actually needs justice. She needs justice. The way that he killed her and brutalized her and then lay her body out in public for them to find her shows that he had intent. He knew what he did was wrong, and the fact that they're seeking bail tells me that he has the possibility of actually getting bail. Do I feel like it's right? Definitely not. I feel like a person like him that went through the motions of actually planning this crime, because he tricked her and told her he forgot a tool at his house, and that's how he got her to his house. He actually planned this murder. This wasn't something that happened by accident. This was planned. So I feel like he needs to stay in jail. Really. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I know a lot of people are saying that he needs to stay in jail, but people talk all sort of stuff all the time. So I was supposed to go live today, but that won't be happening because I will be in the process of packing in the next few weeks. So you guys won't see me live for the next 2 to 3 weeks because I'm moving back to Pennsylvania. But until then, I'll see you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell me what you guys think about this case. Do you think he should get bail? Do you think he is safe if he gets bail? Do you think that if he gets bail, people will be participating in jungle justice? Do you think that he needs to stay in prison because he's more safe there? What are your thoughts on this whole situation? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.